Good morning or good afternoon, guys. I am out and I have been here, but I'm out at the doctor. So I just wanted to give you a short video about what you're doing today so you're clear and that everyone knows what you're supposed to be doing. So on the screen behind me, you should see that today you have different instructions. First, you are going to take your quiz and finish it. When you are finished, please raise your hand when you are finished. Stay quiet until all people are finished. So make sure that you are quiet so all people can finish their quiz and do a good job. Individually, when you are finished, you're going to go and open your workbook to pages 58, 59, 60, and 61. You're going to find your specific monologue that you have been working with your group. Individually, on your specific monologue, you're going to work on the figurative language pages in sections 58, 59, 60, or 61. You're not going to do all of them. The only one you are going to do is the one that is your specific monologue. So you identify the figurative language, you answer what it literally means, as well as how it adds to the understanding of the character. Next, you make sure that you know what page you're going to go to. So I wrote on the screen that it says Constance the Pilgrim is page 58. Loudy the Varlet's Child is page 59. Otho the Miller's Son is page 60. And Will the Plowboy is page 61. So whichever one it is yours, that's the one you do. When you finish that, you move individually again to pages 63 through 70. Again, you're only going to work on your specific monologue on those pages. You're going to answer the text-dependent questions, and you're going to answer them in complete sentences, 3 to 4 sentences long. Your pages of each monologue, Constance the Pilgrim is pages 63 and 64. Loudy the Varlet's Child is page 65 through 66. Otho the Miller's Son is page 67 and 68. And Will the Plowboy is page 69 and 70. If you finish all of that, you are good. However, you can start on your homework. Your homework is to go back and read Jack the Half-Wit in the book. You're going to work on page 57 in your workbook. Determine and write 2 different adversity themes for your monologue. Whatever you do not finish in all of this today, it is your homework. So if you need to get to the point where you're already done with Jack the Half-Wit because you cannot take those books home, make sure your page for your specific monologue is finished before moving on to anything. I will be checking during bell work tomorrow what you have done and what you've accomplished. I hope you have a great day. I need for you to be respectful, to be kind, and make sure everybody is working inside of your group. If all people are finished with the quiz, then you are more than welcome to work within your group those pages because you guys have the same monologue. Again, everybody's not working on the same pages until everyone is on Jack the Half-Wit. And when you're finished with after you're finished reading Jack the Half-Wit, you go to page 57 in your workbook and do 2 adversity themes and fill out the rest of the chart. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.